Ujor ka Petition TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri ka Sorkar Jalaw Bakmi ikatanat puli puthi ba lakmen remboi ulong bu dan jingtip satya shapang gajingeki jaganing kai school hanang ba Delhi hagajing karam bikilar pthai khubor ba remboi ulong ba ka Sorkar kla persyang kat bala banpet baki hukum bala penmi de kinu ki bor ki bakta ya kam hi kai school jaganing kai omde satya ban pentri kam shadien hinde kri bantri kam bet chakman Ulayat ho baka Sorkar, Bthah yu Advocate General ban Ujor de review petition ha Supreme Court halo ka jingpin mi hukum baki no hikai ki bladan ha kam hikai school ki ban pendap baka teachers eligibility test.
Protest or agitation of the teachers in Delhi, that is decided by the respective organization. I didn't have any knowledge about that. But having said that, we from the Meghalaya government, we are trying as much as possible to see that whatever order given by any authority which affect the service of the teachers, it shouldn't be retrospective, it should be prospective. But as of now, we cannot, we have to abide by the ruling of the Honorable Supreme Court. And as I said, time and again we have decided and we have instructed our AG to file the review petition. And more importantly, we are trying to convince the central government that to amend, if possible, to amend the NCTE regulation so that it will not affect prospectively. It should affect only after the coming of the RTE. But having said that, as of now, the judgment of the Supreme Court, which mandated that is the essential criteria, stands.
Protest.
I have, as I said before, has not come to my knowledge how many of them go, who are taking part. This is being arranged by the respective organization. It has nothing to do with the government. So from me, I cannot comment on that. What I say is, for me, is that how to find the solution to this issue if it is there. But as I said, as of now, the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court stands. See, we have already decided, and the AG is working on that, because it is not that just to file all necessary document, everything. So he must have filed also. I have not asked anything because decision have been taken and we have instruction have been done. That's the only thing.